Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's your boy Tony and I'm back in the dungeon, you know what I'm saying, with a little unboxing. First and foremost, welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed, go ahead, hit subscribe, go ahead, hit like, comment, you know what I'm saying, show some love. Without further ado, you already seen the thumbnail, let's get into the shoe. It's looking real good. So, what we have here from our good friends over at Nike, you know what I'm saying, this is a retail cop. And you know how they do with the Just Steal Me tape. Actually, this tape looked like it got messed with, you know what I'm saying. I don't know if y'all seen the meme, it's like, what we see, just do it, and what FedEx see, just steal me. But without further ado, let's get into this shoe, man. Where my box cover at? Like I said, this was a retail cop. I ain't seen too many videos on this shoe right here, but I got my pair, so it's only right that I show y'all. Nice box. I don't even know. I can't remember what the box looked like for the 14s, but my size, of course, size 10. This is retail. Price was $210. Ooh, they hitting us over the head for the $210. But there's the black paper in there. Oh, it came with extra laces. That's the shoe. This is the first pair of 14s that I reviewed on the channel. You know what I'm saying? It's a nice winter, fall, autumn, you know what I'm saying, colorway. Got your carbon fiber on there. These are nice. Let me put this one down. And then extra special in here. Alright. It's just paper, y'all. So, came with black laces, red laces in there. Little history on the shoe. This is the last signature model that MJ played in before he retired and then came back with the Wizards. You know, you seen The Last Dance, you know the story. So, this is clean, man. This is nice buttery. Let me see what they got the material is. They put that on there? No, but Archaeo brown and multicolor. But it's like it's a nice, you know what I'm saying, nubuck suede. It's buttery. It's real soft. Hold on. It ain't like the Travis Scott shit, but actually it do kind of move with the touch. But I mean, he's hard, man. I'm gonna go ahead and get into the B-roll and then we're gonna close this thing out. So I had to go back into the cranium, you know what I'm saying, and think about it. This is like my second pair of 14s ever. I had the last shots. We're not going into too many details, but I lost that pair. You know what I'm saying? If you know, you know. But these make up for them. They definitely make up for them. They got all the OG details. So these supposed to be mirrored or modeled off of a Ferrari. So if you look in there real close, right there, they got little vents in there like the car. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's a hard shoe. So man, like always, thanks for watching Unbox on T and Toni TV, and I'm out.